How to use Chlor Neutralizer. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's Chlor Neutralizer bucket. Leslie's Chlor Neutralizer works to quickly reduce chlorine and bromine levels in case of an accidental overdose, resulting in water that's unsafe to swim. When you want to swim right away, this is the product you need. No more waiting for hours or days until sanitizer levels are back within a safe range. Routine usage directions. Step 1. Simply test the free available chlorine or bromine levels in the water. Determine the appropriate dosage of Leslie's Chlor Neutralizer needed. Step 2. Circulate the product for about 30 minutes. Step 3. Retest the sanitizer levels before entering the water and add a follow-up dose if needed. Useful tips. Using chlorine neutralizer involves measuring the chemical and knowing how many gallons of water your pool holds. Usually adding 1 cup of the chemical for every 5,000 gallons of water will break down to about 1 ounce per 100 gallons. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa for us.